Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing my natural hair styling routine, sort of. It's just my two favorite hairstyles, or the two hairstyles that I only ever do for my hair. If you watch my video from a few weeks ago, you would have seen my wash day routine. After I finish washing my hair, I put it in Bantu knots. So this is the aftermath. These are the Bantu knots after, and they have dried. I dry my hair overnight. I do not blow dry my hair. So I start off by undoing my Bantu knots with some coconut oil and some whipped shea butter. So what I like to do is I like to rub that into my hands so that it's all over my hands. So while I'm undoing my braids, they are sort of moisturizing and just putting some shine into my hair while I do this. As you can see, I'm following the braids. I'm not undoing them by force, but rather I'm sort of twisting my hand and following whichever direction the hair was in. You don't want to do things by force. That will cause breakage. You just want to follow your hair strands. So that I go through after that and I undo and I just loosen up all the definition. I'm not too fussed about curl definition. I prefer to have volume than curl definition. So as you can see, I am going through and I'm thoroughly just loosening up all the definition that was there. So I go through with my hands. Your hands are the most amazing and cheapest combs you can ever use. Use your hands more than you use combs. Trust me, it'll help your hair so much. It's so much better when you can actually feel and touch what you're doing. So after I've done that, I come through with my comb. I love this comb so much. So I just go through with the Afro end of the comb and I go from root to tip, just sort of teasing and undoing all the lines that were put in, the segments from my Bantu knots, so that my Afro is very defined and very fluffy. But I go through with the comb and I just fluff out my hair. As I said before, I prefer to have fluff and volume than anything else. So that's pretty much what my Afro looks like after that. So then I go through lightly with the Denman brush and I just tap through my hair. This will just add some extra bit of like cloudiness to your Afro. I've had a lot of people ask me how I get my Afro so cloudy. This is how I get it so cloudy. I go through with my Denman brush and I just lay down all my baby hairs and my edges in the front of my hair in preparation to do my puff. This is my second favorite hairstyle. I do this more than my Afro because you can't have an Afro every day. It's a bit too much for some people to handle. I use for my hair is yarn. I found that this is the most amazing thing for me. I haven't found anything that does a job better than this. So I go through and I tie my hair into my poof, and I don't tie the yarn, I tuck it into each other. You want to protect your edges. You don't want to cause tension on your edges by tying your hair too tight. Then I go through again with my Afro section of the comb and just fluff out my little poof. So after that, I get to my edges. I love doing my edges. What I like to do first off is just pull out all the edges with the gel, and then I'll start maneuvering and just placing them wherever I want them to be, where I want them to sit, and just making them into some nice waves. This is very casual for me. Usually I will do my edges a little bit more dramatic with some twists, some twirls and some acrobatics, but it's not everyday dramatic. So that's the way I like to style my hair after washing it and putting it in some Bantu knots. I'm very simplistic with the way that I style my hair. I like what works, and this is what I found that works for me. If you guys are enjoying these natural hair videos and you want more of them, make sure you like and you comment down below. If you want to continue to see my videos and you want to be reminded when my videos come out, press the bell button down below and you'll get a reminder every time my video comes out. Until next time guys, I'll see you next Friday. Love you so much. Mwah.